To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video also, let us solve a problem related to the construction of an asset and borrowing cost. Company started the construction of asset. So they have given the details. So the construction of the asset, okay, it was started on 30th April. So the construction of the asset ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ 30th April ಶುರು ಆಗಿದೆ and completed it on 31st December. So it was ended or completed on 31st December, which means how many months? So June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay. So the company is completing on 31st December. So when you calculate, start calculating from June because from May, April, May, because April is 30th. So 30th means ignore the month because the month is already over. Start counting from May. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. It will be 8 months. So the company has taken 8 months of time to construct the asset. A loan of rupees 12 lakh was taken. ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟು 12 ಲಕ್ಷದಷ್ಟು ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 12 lakh rupees was taken at 10% interest. So the loan was taken. On 1st April to fund the 40% of the construction cost. So this 12 lakh is only the 40% of the total construction cost. Total construction cost ಒಂದಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದರ 40% 12 lakh ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The loan was repaid. This particular loan was repaid on 1st March of the next year. So how many months? Let us try to calculate. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. March you need not consider because it is starting of the month. So it will be 11 months. So the loan was taken only for the 11 months. Okay. Now let us try to calculate. Okay. First, what and all they have asked? To find the borrowing cost capitalized and total value of the asset. So first one is calculation of interest. What is the interest? Let us find out. What is the loan amount of loan taken? What ಎಷ್ಟು loan ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 12 lakh rupees. Total first amount of loan taken is 12 lakh rupees into what is the rate of interest? Rate of interest is 10%. 10% is the rate of interest, but the loan was taken only for 11 months, not 12 months. So it will be 11 by 12. So 12 lakh, 1 lakh 20, 12 lakh into 10% into 11 divided by 12 will be 1,10,000. 1,10,000 is a total interest, but complete total interest will not be capitalized. Some part of it will be capitalized. How much will be capitalized? Let us check. Total it is 1,10,000. Till the date of completion will be capitalizing. So 1,10,000 into how many months they have taken to construct the asset? 8 months only. ಬರೀ 8 ತಿಂಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 1,10,000 into 8 divided by 11 because the loan was obtained for only 11 months. Divided by 11 is equal to, so 1,10,000 into 8 divided by 11 will be 80,000. So only 80,000 of the interest amount will be capitalized. Remaining amount, that is 1,10,000 minus 80,000. The remaining amount, that is 30,000, will go to SOPL, means statement of profit or loss account. Now they have asked us to find out the total value of the asset. First, let us find the construction cost. Okay. So construction cost. So they have told that 1 lakh, what is that? Yes, 12 lakh. is only the 40%. 12 lakh is only the 40%. So 12 lakh divided by 40, we into 100. We need the full cost. So 12 lakh divided by 40 into 100. It will be 30 lakh. The total construction cost is 30 lakh. What they had told that 12 lakhs is only the 40% and only 40% loan they were taking, which is 12 lakh. The total borrowing, total cost of construction of asset is 30 lakh. Now let us find out the reporting value. Reporting value. So the reporting value formula is, construction cost plus borrowing cost capitalized. What is the construction cost? Construction cost is 30 lakh. What is the borrowing cost capitalized? 80,000. So 30 lakh plus 80,000. When you add these things, we will get reporting value of the asset. Means the value at which it will be shown in the balance sheet will be 30 lakh 80,000. Hope you have understood this problem very well. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, please put all your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.